Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the WordPress site in a WordPress site. So let's say I'd like to go for this one, go for the taskbar in the start button. Then you have to simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use, and after that you have to simply go to the www.wordpress.com in the top search bar, and then it will simply take you to the login page of WordPress. Then you have to simply put in your login credentials there, and once you put your login credentials there, what you need to do is simply log into your own page, and after that what I need to do is simply click on the settings option in the below, and then here in the settings option you will get the option of hosting features. In the below here you can see the hosting features. Just simply click on the hosting features from there. Once you click on the hosting features, you will get the option of settings tab in the top navigation bar. Just simply click on the settings tab, and once you click on the settings tab you have to just simply scroll down, and here you will get the option of reset site. Just simply click on it, and after that here we'll just have to give a confirmation by typing in the website URL of yours. Then what you need to do is just simply type in the website URL here, and then just simply click on the reset site. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.